My name is Corbin Bumeter. I'm a sound designer at SCAD. It is my dream to influence and inspire the world using sounds. Now I could spend the entirety of this video explaining to you what it is I want to do. But wouldn't it be more fun to show you? Everything you hear was created by yours truly. Look, we all know how expensive tuition is, and it's expensive for everyone. But if I won, you could help me revolutionize the sound and entertainment industry by giving sound the attention it deserves. All right, man, let's take it from the top. This is my dream, to become a sound designer. What's yours? Live Más.